Hello again, this is Robert Veach, and this is my video review of a Fiskars brand PowerLever 1 1/8 inch cut capacity with a 15-inch steel saw blade included. It has a fiberglass pole and extends up to a total of 14 feet, and the model number is 393981-1002. As you can see, it is an oval shaped orange fiberglass rod, which is very clever because it adds rigidity to it. And we're going to see how this works, and I'll show you the mechanism once I open it. So the first thing I'm going to show is the mechanism that is employed on here, where the force gets multiplied using two pulleys. And this is the cord that's included with a nice rubber handle, which will reduce fatigue on your knuckles. So if you pull on this cord, you can see the lever action, and the blade is closing down in this area right here with a 1 1/8 inch capacity. And these little roller bearings are moving along nicely. Next thing I'm going to show is how to extend it. And what's unique about this is it's an oval pole, and to extend it, you lift this up, and there's a push button right here, and you slide it out, and if you look closely, there's holes drilled at predetermined locations. So you hear that click, that locks in place, and you put that on just like that, and you're all set. Very clever design, and I could just tell how rigid this is because I have a circular one and it's totally not rigid. Next thing I'm going to show you is how the included 15-inch steel saw blade gets attached. Now, if you look closely, you can see there's a wing nut right here that locks into place. You want to undo that wing nut first. There's a nice large washer on there. And this wing nut bolt has a square shape to it. And that's important because that's what locks it in. And then right here there's a pin. On the company's website, on their video, you really don't see that pin, and that's a very important key part for the customer to be able to use this thing properly. So if you put this over that bolt, then that pin will allow you to rotate this at a different angle. So you have a choice right there. There's two different angles. Once you have the desired angle, you then put the wing nut back on there and make sure that it's in one of those positions that you desired for the blade. Then you just turn this clockwise, hand tighten it, and that little pin right there along with that will get this thing locked in place quite nicely. Very simple but very effective, and that blade feels very sharp. And most of these blades work in the pull down direction, so that when you're pushing up from the ground, it's not really cutting, and it's not designed that way on purpose so that you use your body weight to pull it down to cut the tree limb. So we're going to try this on some trim treeing and see how it does. So what's my overall opinion about the Fiskars PowerLever 1 1/8 inch cut capacity with a 15-inch steel saw blade, a oval fiberglass 14-foot reach pole pruner, model number 393981-1002. As I demonstrated, this was very effective in trimming my outside tree, and I just love the oval shape and the functionality of the locking system on there. It seems to be very well balanced and it works really nice. And of course it has a lifetime warranty from Fiskars, which is always a benefit. So I'm going to give this product a full 5-star rating on my channel. I hope this video review helped you with your buying decisions. Thanks for watching.